Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can transform Wikipedia articles into clean, structured presentations in just seconds with AI. Let's learn how. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. You'll see 3 ways to start a new project. Generate with AI, start with just a prompt. Paste in text, convert plain text into a presentation. Import file or URL, turn any document or web page into a deck. For this workflow, we'll use the import file or URL option. Just copy the link to any Wikipedia article and paste it into the input field. Gamma will automatically extract the content, analyze the structure, and organize it into a clean, editable outline for your presentation. Drafting your presentation. Once your Wikipedia content is imported, Gamma generates an outline for your presentation. In the prompt editor, you can choose Free Form. Gamma distributes the content intelligently. Card by card, you decide what goes on each slide. You can also set the audience, choose the tone and language, and refine formatting preferences. Once your structure looks good, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your presentations look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes that make your content shine. If you want to brand your document, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you select a theme, click Generate, and watch your imported Wikipedia content turn into a clean, beautiful presentation. Editing with AI. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you can always refine it further. With Edit with AI, you can rewrite content in a different tone, shorten or expand explanations, change slide layouts, add new content or visuals instantly. Want specific changes? Use the AI assistant. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. Think it, make it. Truly that simple. Sharing, exporting, and publishing. Once your presentation is ready, share it your way. Present directly from Gamma with interactive elements and presenter notes. Share it online via link. Export as PDF for easy sharing, PowerPoint or Google Slides for further edits, PNG for posting on social media, or publish directly to LinkedIn. You can also select which specific cards to export or share. Full control, always. And that's it. With Gamma, you can turn any Wikipedia article into a polished, editable, and visually engaging presentation in just minutes. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.